Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use Object Snap in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Object Snap provides screen-shaped signs that can help you draw with precision. Each screen-shaped sign represents a particular object snap that you can turn on and off depending on what you need. To access Object Snap settings, you either type OSnap and then press enter, or you can click the icon below and click Object Snap Settings. Here, you will be able to check and uncheck modes depending on the application you are doing. On the left side is the green shape sign it will show on the drawing. We have an example here that we are going to recreate with the help of Object Snap. First, we're going to discuss endpoint. By checking endpoint, you will be able to snap at the end of line or a rectangle. As you can see, the shape square is appearing at each end of all objects. So now let's start recreating the shape. First, let's click Line Command. Let's press 9, Enter. So what if you unintentionally press Escape? If you have the endpoint, it will snap at the end of the line. And then we could close by snapping at the end. Midpoint. By having the midpoint checked, you'll be able to determine midpoint. By having the midpoint checked, you'll be able to determine the midpoint of any lines. In this example, I could snap on the middle of this line. I can also snap in the middle of this line. We can also snap midpoint to midpoint. By turning on the center, you'll be able to know the center of the circle. And having an endpoint, you'll be able to snap on the endpoint of these two lines. Extension. By checking this, you'll be able to know and create a line without creating an extra line to create this object. Perpendicular. With the help of midpoint, we're able to create this line. Tangent. By having tangent on, we're able to snap at the tangent of this circle. Helpful tip is to make sure that only check the object snap that you are using, as it will be confusing if all of them are on while you are drawing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.